Welcome to Bexley Practice Test 2 Exam Papers Plus Maths questions. We are going from question 10 onwards. First thing to say is you need to turn me up. The volume should be very high quality. Let me turn it like that. Nope, let me turn that way. Fine. Should be facing me. Good enough. Alright, here we go. Question 10. Every question you need to pause. You can have a go first, or you just listen to what I'm about to say. Practice makes perfect. Question 10 here is a network of lines. The angles are at right angles. PQY are right angles. Yes, we can see that here. Which of the following is not true? A. Now, when we're checking options, I've told my students to check from C, D, E. I bet it's one of them. They want you to check a lot of choices. Line SR. Let's mark that. SR is here. And QR. QR, this bit, are perpendicular. Even if you don't know what perpendicular means, they're giving you a clue at right angles. That is exactly what it means. If that's a new word, you can write it down now. Don't be lazy. Get a sheet of paper, write it with me, because this word does crop up from time to time. If we look at these two lines, they are at an obtuse angle. They are not at a nice right angle. No, C is not true. Oh, there we go. We're finding the one that's not true. How nice. So C is probably the answer. Let's just check a bit more just to show you. That was lucky. PT here. PT there. And now QR. QR, are they parallel? Well, parallel means going the same direction. If I just put an arrow just to show it, are they both going in the same direction? Yes. So we're going for the one that's not true. Next, PT and VY. Here, can you see if I just draw arrows on it, they're going the same way. I'll quickly check the others just to make sure. PQ, down. And XY here. Are they parallel? Yeah, they're going down. Same direction going down. And last one, PTXY. Let me change the color, it's getting a bit messy. PT here, XY, are they perpendicular? Yes, because if you just extend that blue line here, that is now a right angle, so there we go. Now in the real exam, once you check one option, you found that it's not true, you just move on. Now it's a video, so of course I will do it in detail. C is the answer. Question 11, the graph shows how the price of 250 grams of butter has changed between 2013 and 2023 here. How much does 1 kilogram of butter cost in 2023 than it did in 2016? Here we go. All we care about are the years. Let's zoom in here. Does it work if I zoom in? Let me just crop it a bit. Yeah, it looks good. 2016, go across here. Now, what is that number? Is it going up in ones? Is it going up in twos? Well, let's do it. Dun, 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 dun. Can you see there are 5 gaps? 5 gaps. And this is equal to what? Well, look, 120 to 140 is 20 pence. So what are we saying? I need to type. It's just so messy. So 1 gap. Let me zoom out a bit. Don't really like zooming out and in. I'm actually going to keep it, or else I just keep changing the screen. 1 gap is equal to 4 pence. So if we go across, well, keep going up 4. 124, 128, 132, 136. It would have been easier if I just went back 4. I need to pay attention. Look, 140 is there. So if you go back, it'll be 136. But they're being tricky. Look, that's 250 grams. We're caring about 1 kilogram. So 250 is 136 pence. 1,000 grams. Well, how we go from 250 to 1,000, we times by 4. So just do that on the side. 136 times 4. You can have a go now. Pause the video now to have a go. 6 times 4, 24. 4 times 3 is 12. You add 2, which is 14. 1 times 4 is 4, and then you add 1 is 5. Pence. And now 2023. Go up, go across. That's the last line. Up and across. If I go across to see that number, do I actually... it's just going down 2 gaps. Going down 2 boxes, and we can see we're at 240. So, we go down 4 pence, then we go down 4 pence again. So 240 minus 4 is like 240 minus 8, which is 232. But then we need to times by 4 again, remember. It's like they want you to get it wrong. These are 250 grams. We need 1,000 grams because we're comparing to 1 kilogram. So now times it by 4. 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 4, 12. And then 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 928. So it's more expensive now. Okay, one more thing to do. Look, how much more does it cost? Well, we compare 928 with 544. And we work out the difference. So you can pause the video now and do it. Minus 544 equals what? 5 seconds. 4. 2 minus 4 we can't do. Let's borrow. Cross it off. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 5, 3. So £3.84 should be there. Good. Being a bit nasty, aren't they? It's actually E is the final option. Doesn't really matter because you just need to work it out. You work it all out and then you select it. Good. We are 7 minutes in. I think I'll do one more question. Let's see. 7 minutes in, maybe one more, then that's it. Let's keep it short. Question 12. To work out the exterior angle of a regular polygon, you divide 360 by the number of vertices of the polygon. Already that just sounds complicated. You know what? Because it's such a wordy question, if you're my student, I've told people, you need to go for the end bit. Read it first, then you know what's actually important, what to actually look for. What's the interior angle? That means inside of a regular decagon. Now that is a 10-sided shape. Okay, well, so what? Well, now we know something is equal to 10, the number of sides. Now we can read this. Maybe read backwards. Why not? Why not? How about this bit? To work out interior angle of a regular polygon, so we know it's a 10-sided shape, you subtract the exterior angle from 180. Okay, we need to do that bit first. Top bit, blue. What are they telling us? To work out the exterior, you divide 360 by number of vertices. That's the same as number of sides, so let's do that. Exterior, even if you've never seen this before, it's about reading something and then applying it. 360 divided by number of sides, which is 10. So we know that is 36. Okay, now we can apply this green box. To work out the interior, we do exterior from 180. Okay, so do it. Following instruction, done. 180 minus 36, give yourself 5-second short video for now, done. What is that calculation equal to? Then I'm going to draw a few pictures of these polygons. We're done. 180 minus 30 is 150, minus 6 is 144. Put C. Now a few pictures. Let's say pentagon. Here. That's a 5-sided shape. Okay, so what? Why is this relevant here? Exterior angle is just the angle on the outside. Yes. It's also the center angle. That's a nice way to see it. Okay, that one. Now, how do we do that? Well, you see a pentagon, it's 5 sides. Okay, so what? Now we apply the formula, exterior angle. It means 360 divide 5. And that is equal to 72. Okay, well, so what? So what? Put 72 here. I'm just showing you another example just to make it useful. Now you look at the angle on the other side, this bit. What rule can we apply? Angles on a straight line, they add up to 180. Okay, so what? Well, I'm just applying the green box. 180. 180 is equal to 72 plus what? Well, flip it round. To work out that angle, which is the interior angle, we do 180 minus 72, which is 108. Okay, I'll just make it light yellow here. There, inside this shape. 108, good. So that is it, guys. That is it. We're 10 minutes in, job done. So we're going to keep this video short. So, as usual, my normal way to end this video is in the top left corner. I think it will be the previous video, just in case you guys have missed it. Now, in this video, I covered questions 10, 11, 12. So the video just before it, I think it's questions 6, 7, 8, 9. So that'll be in the top left corner, just in case you missed it. And in the bottom left corner, it will be YouTube's choice for the next 11 plus video if you want to stay on this channel. We're 10 minutes in, job done. Give yourself a break. Cool. That's it for today. See you next time.